Hello everybody, my name is Jürgen Moors and welcome to XR Frontier. Last time we started our road to use extended reality in a holistic way in manufacturing and logistics. We started at prototyping and design, and today we move in actually into the world of manufacturing itself, into, for instance, an assembly line or a production line, doesn't really matter. Now, what kind of processes you can use with extended reality? Well, let's start at the beginning. You have a new factory, you have new people that need to be trained. Well, there you can use extended reality first in a virtual reality environment where you can train them, that they know what they will have to do, what their job is, what tasks they have to do, in which order the tasks have to be. If you don't find enough skilled people, you can go to lower skilled people and you can even make them train more until they actually understand the job. Then on the job itself, during their work at the lines or in the factory, you can use augmented reality so that the people can use it as a guidance, that they can see the work descriptions, what they actually have to do, especially when you make different types of parts or different series of certain products. It can work as a guidance there during manufacturing. They can also start using it for quality control or quality assessment, quality assurance. First, you can train your people in a virtual environment, okay, which types of defects can you see? How can you recognize those defects? And once when they're ready, you can use the augmented reality at the line itself or in the factory itself. So it is an aid for the people to see from, okay, here we have potentially a wrong part or a part that does not pass quality assurance, or a part that will actually pass quality assurance. Then when we have it ready and it comes from the lines, we have products or components that are actually brought onto the lines as well. You can use it for a logistical point of view, where you augmented reality, because when you use somehow a computed logistical process, the location of most parts these days is actually known in real time. So your augmented reality can guide you to a certain location, or can tell you from that component is on your left, the other component is on your right, how you have to assemble it. This can all be done with augmented reality. And last but not least, it can always be that something on your manufacturing floor breaks down, so you have to do the repairs, meaning at that point in time, in a virtual environment, your maintenance crew can immediately start preparing. They know what component they are talking about, or which machine has been talking about. They can do this already from a distance, can start preparing for the job, and when they actually come in to do the job, they can use augmented reality to see from, okay, this part, how do I bring in the other part? If it is a very complex assembly, they can get a step-by-step projection of how they actually have to take out first the part and then put back together the different machines or equipments so it can manufacture you. So this is a way that you can start thinking about, what can I do in my manufacturing? And no matter what process you're looking at, whether it's quality assurance, like I said, whether it's training, whether it's prototyping that we had before, when you start designing from a holistic point of view and thinking about extended reality, that's when the world really starts opening up to you. And that's when this business case for extended reality really starts becoming big. Don't focus on certain aspects of your process. No, think in a holistic way and look at from, how can I move from one side to another side over the course of time, because you're not going to do it all at once. I know that, but you will see that you can do your extended reality or enrich your extended reality and your manufacturing with extended reality. I hope you liked this episode about XR Frontier, and I hope to see you next time in another episode of XR Frontier when we talk about a completely different topic. See you then, and bye-bye.